So, your key fob is worn out and no longer legible from years of abuse and continuously hitting those buttons to find your car in a parking lot. One day you decide,
Enough is enough. I decided to buy a new remote from Z1 Off-Road.
hooray! But wait, how do I get it to work? Well, you're in luck. Here are 5 easy steps to reprogramming your new remote to your vehicle. Step 1. Enter the vehicle. Lock the vehicle using the lock button on the driver's door. Step 2. Insert the key into the ignition and remove it. You'll need to do this 10 times within 6 seconds to enter the programming mode. She'll let you know when you do it right. Step 3. Insert the key into the ignition and turn to the on position. Step 4. Press the lock button on your new remote. The hazards will flash twice notifying you that the new remote has been recognized. Step 5. Open the driver door to exit the programming mode. Take a few steps away from the vehicle and test the new remote. Congratulations! You've successfully reprogrammed your new remote.